Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be learn pseudo-classes in CSS3. What is pseudo-class and why we require to use in CSS? This class can be used for instance situations on applying like a CSS is style an element when an user mouse over it. A style visited and unvisited links differentiately to be making at the browser place and style an event when it gets focused. Thus will be applied for we can use for pseudo classes. See anchor pseudo class example we'll see here how it is like a making unvisited link like a dot link we have a specified it is in a color is red and the same a dot visited if it is and the color is green and a dot hover on mouse over like a hover color equal to hot pink and when I am selected that link it is should be on blue. These are the variations we can put it as in a making like a these pseudo classes. We'll see in a simple and super example over here and I'm taking like a link and I'll be going to be explain like how it is. Once we apply the code with the a tags along with the code I'll get it from there ready-madely and available here. Yes, yes, that's enough. Take a copy of this within the style tag. Yes. Now see here, unvisited link. This is the comment line in CSS, and unvisited link for like a dot link. By default, it is unvisited. By default, it will be shows like a red, and visited it will be changed to green. And a hover, if it is mouse, it is there hot pink, and if it is click the select it, and it will be changed to blue. These are the much variations you will see with a single link. Refresh. Now see by default, it is a link is the green. If I place the hover of the mouse, it is going to be pink. If I click and hold it, it will be turned into the blue. If I click this and it will be turned into the gray. Like I have visited already. If I am not visited by default, it will be show you like black color, it will be displayed. All right. If I click that link, href link, it is going to be my site here. These are the ample of many courses and tutorials and lectures are available here. You visit here. The trainings and tutorials, coding for kids, and many of the lectures are available here. You will see and super exciting tutorials. And come back to our lecture, and you will see come to our pseudo classes. We can call it as a pseudo class by applying of the CSS tree. And one more example I have prepared for you to understand. Very simple and super exciting. Like taking a differentiation, I have to show you what is the pseudo class, what is not pseudo class. I'm taken first the slide style sheet. Later, you will get all the codes from the css.org. Very simple. Not worry to find out all this. Getting like a jump start, I'm going to these things. And very once you have to understand more things to be covered in these lectures. Save it and see the two paragraphs here. One is applied for CSS pseudo class and another one is CSS style sheet is only applied or it is not applied for CSS. Like a href link it is prepared and it is highlighted when the hover, when the highlight it is hover, it is displayed. Now see the differences between these two. Like see CSS pseudo is applied here. When you like a mouse is hover, it is showing like this. And without applying the hover of the pseudo class, like see here, it's plain and as usual it will be source look likes. There is no more what I can say that interaction with the user, the CSS, and all the latest modern features will give you more interaction features and the facilities to the clients. If the user is like placing here something, it is changing the color, so he will be alerted and he will find out yes it is something it is here. So the pseudo like a pseudo is applied wherever you want to, like all the things you can apply the pseudo classes like multiple variations. If you want to in a single and same object you will get it by different variations we have seen our earlier way. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.